right?
Let me just get a pencil.
Yes. All right. Estimate the value of each of the following. In multiplication, 3,306, which will be round down to 3,000, times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 6,000. Did you grab pencil?
Okay. I guess that could work.
4,811 times 4. 4,811 needs to round up to 5,000. It is very close to 5,000. So 5,000 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and then a 30 follows 20,000. So what will happen at C?
Huh?
How would you solve C?
Let me just write B. Okay, C. So you would round it to 8,000, and 8,000 times 6 is 6 with 3 zeros added, so 48 with 3 zeros, 48,000.
Yes, 48,000. Then a D.
Next, do you want me to do the next ones? Um, 5,000 divided by 6.
No, you are still working on D.
Huh?
Focus. 9,560. What will that round up or round down?
On F.
Huh?
I'm on F.
Oh, no, you need to work with me one by one. So D, what is the answer for D?
50,000.
Correct. What is the answer for E?
2,000.
Right. Now there is a trick here. That's the reason. I want you to work with me. When you are dividing by 6, you need to think of a number closer to the actual number of 4,759, but is divisible by 6. You're going to say the 6 timetable. So 6 times 6 is 36, right? 6 times 7 is 42. What is 6 times 8?
6 times 8. Oh, 40. 48.
Yeah, stay focused here. I think your focus is wavering right now. So stay focused. So look here, eyes on my screen, please. In the 6 timetable, I have 4,200. 6 times 700. Then 6 times 800 is 4,800. The actual number is very close to 4,800. So I will round this to 4,800, divide by 6, and that will give me 800 as the answer. I have to round up or round down smartly that there is no remainder. So that's why I need to look for this multiple of 6. Write it down, please. Let's move on. G. 5,268. In a 5 timetable, what are the multiples of 5 in 1,000?
Okay.
5 times 1 is 5, isn't it?
Mhm.
So 5 times 100 will be 500, and 5 times 1,000 will be 5,000, right?
Yes. Mhm.
5 times 2,000 will be 10,000, isn't it? We need to look for the number that is close to 5,000.
5.
I mean, which is close to 5,268, but it's divisible by 5. So this can go to 5,000. Divide by 5, and that is 1,000 is the answer. Do we understand? So what will happen to H?
So I was thinking round it to 6,300, but that was
Yes,
oh, that's right.
that's perfect. 6,300 divided by 9 because 63 divided by 9 is 7, and so 700.
But
That's
don't
how it.
round that to 6,400.
But 6,400 cannot be divided by 9. In the 9 timetable, there is no 64.
Yeah, but look.
That's why we cannot go to 6,400, though it is closer to 6,400, but we cannot divide it by 9. Got it? In this case only, that's the reason we round down. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Mm. So let's move on. Now multiplying by number that has 0 at the end makes life very easy. Multiplying by 10, that means take the number itself and add a 0 because it's a 10 more. 10 times more, not 10 more, it is 10 times more. If it's 100 times more, it will have 2 follows. So in question number C, 93 times 40 should be rewritten as 93 times 4 times 10. Keep that 10. Multiply 93 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12, 2, 1 is a carry, 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1 more 37 times the 10, and that is 3,720. Questions?
Do you want me to write that down, or can I do it in my head?
You should write down everything that I write. And let me know if you have any questions. So did you work on the yellow book homework?
What?
Pages 1 through 1 through 4?
1 through 4?
Oh, did you work on yellow book?
My mom said it was only 1 page 1 and page 4.
Oh, I think that's my typing. Yeah, 1 and 4. That's what I did. Accidentally, it was 1 to 4. So I'm gonna add those homework now. You go ahead and finish this page, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me 2 secs. Just last one.
Sure. After you also, I have another student from New York.
What?
After your class, I have another student. She is also from New York.
Oh,
She's younger than you.
she's younger. How old?
She is rising first grader.
She's what? I couldn't hear you.
A rising first grader.
Oh,
She's in kindergarten.
oh, she's doing first grade and she's in kindergarten.
She will go to first grade, yeah, in August or September, whenever your school starts.
Hmm. What math is she doing? Is she
She's
learning?
doing both abacus and grade because she's so young, right?
Yeah.
She's learning both, just like how you started.
Okay. I just want to know, like, what is she doing? First grade math? Is she learning first grade math?
Yes, so we completed kindergarten with her in the grade wise, and we moved on to 1A right now. So she's on 1A. And in
What
abacus, she's on the second book.
is she only doing first grade?
Yeah. She will go to first grade.
So about the same as Suhani, but Suhani's in the first book and she's in the second.
Suhani will go to first grade, right?
Mm-hmm. And she
Same.
doing first grade math.
Yeah, so I think it's same.
But she's in the book, so.
Suhani also isn't just Suhani will go to first grade, right?
No, she's still in kindergarten.
Yeah, she's right now in kindergarten, but will go to first grade
Yeah.
in September, right?
So she's about the same as her, like what she's.
Yeah, same as her. Yeah.
Got it. Do you want me to do the next page?
No, let's check the answers first.
Okay. Okay, so I got. Where did I stop doing it?
C. I
Okay.
gave the answer A, B, C. So you need to start from D.
Okay. 57,000.
Hmm?
That was right? Okay.
Yeah.
258. I mean, 2,580.
No.
No.
Place value is off.
Let me try this one. 18. Why
It's
is there a zero?
25,800. It is 25,800.
I forgot to add the last zero.
You added more zeros. You said 2,580, which is a big number. The answer is 25,800.
And I said way less than that.
Check your answer. Do you have this answer?
Well, now I do. Before I had 2,580, which
Yeah.
So
Which is a big. Which is, oh, you have 2,000. This is 25,000. Got it. Got it.
yeah, but I forgot to add the last zero.
Yeah.
And
Got
then
it.
the one I got. Wow, that's a big number. 30, 30, 30 313,600.
Correct.
And then the
Next.
next one, 360,000.
Correct.
And last one, 2,450.
Nope.
Huh?
Get the place value.
Wait.
You're multiplying by 1,000 already.
Oh my god. Yeah,
Mm.
I forgot to add the zeros again. Because I thought I would do the simpler way where I just did 805 times 3 and then I'd add the zeros at the end.
Yes. You need
But-
to add zeros at the end.
Gross.
I forgot to add the zeros. Looks like that.
Uh-huh.
So what's the answer then?
2,415,000.
Yes, that's it. 2,450,000 million. Yep. Fifth grade is about million. All right.
Are we learning?
Now,
Are we learning like at the? Is this book most stuff like I already know? Area. Oh, there was one page. And what is ratio? I forgot.
ratio.
Okay.
Ratio.
What does that mean again? Because I cannot.
Yeah, so it's perfectly fine. Because it starts with T, so ratio. Why it's not ratio, but it's ratio, right?
Uh-huh.
It's called ratio. So when the chapter will come, we'll go more deep into it. But ratio is about, for example, I'll give you an example. One table and a two chair is a ratio in a classroom. Every one table has two chairs. That's the ratio. So
Didn't-
table to chair,
Isn't it like
table to chair is 1 to 2. But if the table increases to 2, the chair will be 4. Eyes on my screen. 1 to 2 and 2 to 4, that's called the ratio. Got it? One bed and two pillows. But if there are two beds, then it will be 4 pillows. Is it making sense?
doubling?
Not always doubling. It can be 3 times, it can be half, but it's in that proportion. Every table is two chairs, every table can have 3 chairs. Then, if the tables are double, the chairs will be 6. Understand? All right, let's go in this page now. Estimate the value of each of the following. Now we need to estimate this. We can have each number estimated first and then multiply. So let's begin here. 300 times 50, 3 times 5 is 15, and then 3 zeros total. Total 3 zeros follows, so 15,000. Next one.
Okay.
78, we'll
40
round to 80.
48,000.
Yes. And
Okay.
number 3? Perfect.
130 times 700 is 21,000.
21,000. D.
D is 4,000 times 50. So that would be. Wait.
What is it?
200,000.
200,000. Perfect. Let's move on. Andrew wants to buy 28 radio sets. Each radio set costs $229. Give a quick estimate. When they say quick estimate, you have to underline that.
Okay, so 28.
Do not go further in your brain just to solve the numbers. Understand what I'm trying to say because these things will help you with ACT and SAT exam. I said, when I see give a quick estimate, I underline that. Did you underline it? Follow everything I say. Don't just jump onto numbers. Create a good habit. That's where I come in. So, quick estimate. So, we are just estimating. That's all. So, 28 radius can be 30. And 229 will be what?
200.
Yes, ma'am. And so that will be 6,000.
I thought you just do 20. You would keep the 28 there, then round the 229.
No, but that's not an estimate. Estimate means you can do mental math quickly. If I keep 229, I still have to use paper and pencil. I'm not as smart as you are.
Well,
That I can do it quickly in mind. I might have to use paper and pencil. 229 times 3 is what? And
50.
then
Wouldn't that be 56,000? 5,600?
let me see. 229 times 3. That goes to 687.
No, not that. I meant if you didn't estimate the 28, but you estimated the 229 and rounded the 229. If I rounded 229 to 200 and kept the 28 as it was? 28.
Yeah, then it is 5,600. Yeah. Oh, let's move on. Give a quick estimate of an area of a rectangle with length of 144 inches and width of 92 inches. Estimate of the area. Area is equal to length times width. Length can be down to 100. And this one to 90. And that will be 9,000 inches squared. Question?
Nope, just let me write it down. 9,000.
Let's move on.
90. Okay.
Now in this division, eyes on my screen. Do we understand? This is just for the understanding. It's not for the work. But understanding here is 36 times 10, that is 360, divide by a 10. So the answer is 36. Do we understand this?
Yeah.
So what I do here is I take out one of the zeros because both has a 10. So answer is 36. If there are two zeros, I take out two zeros. So the answer is 42. I take out a 1 0. Now I see 25 divided by 5. That's a 5.
Next one.
Questions on this technique?
Nope.
No questions? Then complete the page.
For the dividing, can I round it all?
No, you cannot do round. We have to do what is asked.
Okay.
I don't want any wrong habits. We got to do what is asked. When is the last day of the school? It's in June?
So I didn't have half day.
June 14th?
Half days start, I'll have to check. I think they start around that time, June 15th, June 14th, somewhere around there.
Yeah, okay. Don't worry.
Give me 2 6. 3, 5. Okay. I got 15 for E.
Solve everything, then we will check from D.
And then I got 15 again. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. E. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
D.
So what's the answer from D?
7. 15. 15. 7. 12.
And then? No.
What?
No. That mistake is not acceptable.
Oh.
Divide again.
I was thinking that was an 8. $78,000.
What is the answer?
Give me 2 seconds.
Oh, use the paper and pencil. Long division. Did you take out 3 zeros?
Long division, but I only know my facts up to 12, so I have to count up till I get the closest to 96.
Look here. It's not about you knowing the fact up to 12. Look here. These 3 zeros get cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 96 divided by 6. We are not going even above 12. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract 6, 3, remaining 6 comes down 36. 6 times 6 is 36, that's all. There is no need to go above 12. When you are dividing by 6, one number at a time, answer is 16. That's a long division method. Is it making sense?
Yeah. Yeah, the math.
Don't make it complicated by doing all the mental math. Questions, Tiana?
No, not really.
Look.
Let me just bring this down. Yep. 16. Okay.
Okay. Now let's move on in here. Estimate. Again, we will estimate in a way that it's in the timetable. 52 went to 50 and 282 went to 300. 0 gets cancelled. 30 divided by 5 is a 6. 324.
I'm going to round it to 320.
Yes, ma'am.
Round that to
Divide by 40.
And then that's 80.
8. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, so 8.
8.
Next one. This can be 4,500. Divide by 50. 4,500 divided by 50. What do we get?
Can I not just round it to 4,000?
No. Because if you do 4,000, you are reducing that number. And 49, you are increasing. So that will be a little bit off. You can round it. It is not wrong. But I'm going closer to the actual answer. So if something I round higher, the other one in division, I'm trying to round it higher. Going closer to the real answer. This is very close to 4,500 than 4,000. So 4,500 divided by 50.
9.
What's
90.
that? 90. Next one.
Okay. Round it to 1,800.
Divide by 30.
60.
Yes. All right. Then let's move on. Albert bought 28 compact discs for $805. Give a quick estimate of the cost of each compact disc. Quick estimate.
30 times 800 is 24,000.
Are you reading it properly, Tiana? Is it the cost of one disc is 800 or whatever you are trying to do, or is the total?
Oh my god.
So if you do this compact disc of 30, compact disc
Right.
is equal to 30, then the total cost we need to consider as $900. Therefore, cost of one compact disc equals 900 divided by 30, and that is $30. Questions?
Nope. I just need to do one thing.
Number 4. The floor area of a hall is 1,400 meters square. The length is 36 meters. Give a quick estimate for the width. 1,400 meters square. The length is 36 meters. Length can be approximately 40 meters. And then the area needs to be rounded to 1,200 meters squared. And therefore width will be area divided by length, and that is 30 meters. This is how it needs to be solved. Is it making sense?
Yeah, I just need 2 secs.
Write it down nicely.
Got it.
Okay. My next page is missing from my file in here. So I want you to go and work on that page because it's missing. So let me grab the book in here. Okay, page 18.
54 times 19 is...
Hold on, you will have to do it with me, Tina, because I'm going to teach you a concept here. So I am going to create page 18 here. I accidentally looks like deleted it. You can start working. And check your answers with mine.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you can check your answers with mine. And I will like enlarge it.
Check. 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 I got 43 for G.
Okay, let's check it out.
The last one, check. Oh no, it's 42. It's 42, never mind.
Okay.
Because I just realized if I do 9 divided by 3, which is 3, then 3 times 14. Okay.
Okay.
I got them all right.
You got it all right, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in this one, there was nothing much rule to follow. Because as you saw, you started working on it. However, I want to mention in here the order of operation is a PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Parenthesis first, exponent, multiplication, division, whatever comes first. From the left side, you must remember this. And then addition, subtraction. Multiplication and division, whatever comes first. From the left side. After we deal with that, then only we have to do addition and subtraction.
Like on 7 times 5 times 8. Like I thought.
That is all multiplication. So, but you have to first multiply 7 times 5 and then times 8. But in this one, it's all multiplication, so it doesn't matter. But look at this question number H. In H, you have division first.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to do 64 divided by 8 first. You cannot do 64 divided by 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
If you do 64 divided by 40, your answer will be very different. So the division came first. 64 divided by 8 is first, and then you multiplied by 5. Where in G, question number G, first you multiply. So in multiplication and division, whatever comes first, you have to do that. And then you have to do addition and subtraction, whatever comes. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So we have more practice on a little bit complicated problems here. Let's look in here.
One thing.
Yes.
For E, 7 times 5 times 8, instead of doing 7 times 5 first, I did 5 times 8 first, and I got 40, then I did 40 times 7.
I would do the same thing. I would do exactly what you have done to make my life easy. But because it was all multiplication, that's the reason. Got it? All right. So let's move on in here. Write it down here, PEMDAS. At the top, big PEMDAS. PEMDAS. PEMDAS.
Why is it called PEMDAS?
P is for parenthesis, brackets. E is for exponent, if there is an exponent, exponent. M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction.
Yeah.
This order must be followed to solve any questions in math. This is the order of operation. The operations needs to be done in this order. So let's create the parenthesis first. Eyes on my screen. Complete focus. And just hear me out and follow. Find the value of each of the following. 84 plus 6 times 8. The order of operation says multiplication first, then the addition comes. So I will put my parentheses around 6 times 8. And so 84 will stay as is, plus 6 times 8 is 48. And that will give me 112. Questions?
112.
I mean, 84 plus 48 is what? 132, I'm sorry. 132. I said 112, 112, 112. 132.
84 plus 6. I did 84 plus 6 is 90, then 90.
You cannot do that. So that's what I'm saying. You're not listening, Tiana. You have not developed listening skills. You must just listen and follow new concept and stop using your own ideas. When I introduce something, completely focus and listen. We wrote PEMDAS. In that, multiplication division came first, M and D is first, and then A and S. So multiplication came first, and that's why I put a parenthesis around 6 times 8. I have to multiply first, according to PEMDAS, then I have to add. So that's why I said 84 plus, and then 6 times 4 is 48. And then 48 and 84 gives me 132. So start writing with me. Legs down, sit up. Start writing with me. Create parentheses. And let me know once you're done with that problem. Done?
Most.
Are we done with the first one?
Uh-huh.
Next one. 140 minus 40 times 3. Multiplication first. So put a parenthesis around 40 times 3. I said put a parenthesis around 40 times 3. Keep your pencil in your hand. 140 minus 120 equals 20. Next one. 46 plus 32 divided by 8. Division first. So create a parenthesis 32 divided by 8. 46 plus 4. And that is 50. Questions. So what will happen at D?
For D, you'll do 60 divided by 4.
So create a parenthesis around it. That means 100 minus 15 equals 85. Next one. Tell me what to do.
Okay, give you 2 seconds. Okay, so after that, 8 times 6 is 48. Then 48 plus 14 is, give me 2 seconds.
62.
Okay.
Next one.
Next one, you would 18 divided by 6, which is 3. Then 3
Yes.
plus 80 is 83.
Fantastic. It
Next,
is so much better when you listen and follow. G.
12 times 10 is 120 minus 5, 115. And then the next one is 6 times 6, which is 6 times 6 is, oh my god, 36. 36 plus 72 is 108.
Correct. Find the value of each of the following. We need to create parentheses first. So write down PEMDAS at the top. So we know the order of operation. PEMDAS. Division first. So the parentheses will go 20 divided by 6. So 70 will come down plus 24 divided by 6 is 4. And then a minus 4 will follow. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 70. Questions? Next one. The parentheses will go 125 divided by 5. Also, it will go to 12 times 2. There are two parentheses.
Give me 2 seconds. 12 times 2, 24.
25 minus 24. And that is 1.
Oh.
You have to create two parentheses. So tell me, what should I do in C?
Okay. Give me 2 seconds.
First, I will create the first parenthesis on 60 divided by 4. So 160 minus 60 divided by 4 is 15 times the 3. Then I create a second parenthesis 15 times 3. So this is again a 160 minus 45. And that will be 115. Is it making sense, Gianna?
Yep. Could I just go to the bathroom?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. All right. The what should we do? Tell me. New topics, right?
Mhm.
Hmm. Where should we create parentheses?
Hello?
Yeah, where should we create parentheses?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
You're breaking up. I can't really hear you.
Let me see my speakers. Got you. Hi. Is it better?
Yeah, better.
All right. Okay. Let's go. Let's work on D. Let's put parentheses. 32 plus 8 plus 30 times 2. Create a parenthesis on 30 times 2 here. 32 plus 8 can be done because there is just addition. So it's 40 plus 60 and that is 100. Next one. 52 minus 35 divided by 7 minus 7 times 2. Parenthesis on a division first. And then parenthesis on a multiplication first. So this will be 52 minus 5 minus 14. And that will be 33. Questions on parentheses. This is such an important topic, Tina, that is going to follow through all your high school.
It
So
is?
we have to nail it down. Okay?
Okay.
Which operation needs to be done first? That is at most important. All right. So parentheses on 9 times 8 and parentheses on 6 times 10.
Give me just 1 sec to do E. Okay. Okay, ready. So 9 times 8 is 72.
Minus
Minus 60.
equals.
Let me write that. 60 equals 12.
Yes, ma'am. Next one. Where the parentheses will go?
So around 7 times 8 and around 24 divided by 8.
Yes.
24 divided by 8 is 3. 7 times 8 is 56. Add 3 to 56. It's 59.
Yes. Next one.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
For oh, never mind.
Okay. 63 divided by 9 in a parenthesis and 20 divided by 10 in a parenthesis. 63 divided by 9 is?
So 63 divided by 9 is 7. 20
7 plus 2 equals 9. You got it.
Okay.
However, practice is very, very important. Very, very important. So next week you will have the homework of the order of operation. This one they already gave you the parenthesis, so go ahead and start working on it. I will be now using the restroom and come back quickly, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and work.
I'm not done.
Huh?
I'm not done now.
Shorts.
34.
That's yours? I can have that.
I need that for my backpack.
Which question are you on?
Last one.
Huh?
Okay, got him.
Okay, what is A?
100.
Correct. B?
30.
Correct. C?
34.
D?
3.
Correct. Next.
48.
Correct.
42.
Correct.
36.
Correct.
1.
Correct. When the parentheses are given, no issues at all. And now you also know how to create parentheses. So there is no issue at all. Fantastic. We jumped on one step. All right. Last question. Page number 22. Finish it off and we call it a day.
Okay. 22. 19 plus 16 is 35. 35 times 7. 12. Okay, 9 minus 4, 5. 12 times that is 16. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 times 5, 100. 30. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 72 divided by 3 is, I'm at 72 divided by 6 is 12. And then 28 minus 18 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, got my answers.
Okay, what is the answer?
7.
Correct.
60.
Correct.
32.
Correct.
100.
Correct.
30.
Correct.
8.
Correcto.
12.
Oh, yes, 12.
Oh, okay, 100.
100. Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay,
Sounds great.
so
So I
for,
already sent the homework.
for
Since
home,
school is open, less homework. As soon as the school gets over, I will add more homework. And if you have more time to do the homework, you need to let me know, then I will add.
okay.
Okay?
I used to do 5 pages a day. So this
A
is
day, which I gave you 5 pages in a week.
yeah.
So I can add a homework if you want me to. Do you want me to add homework this week? I will add it next week. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay? From next week, I will start giving you a little more homework. Sounds good?
For homework,
Hmm.
it's pages 2 and 3 in the yellow book.
2, 3, 5,
2, 3, and
6,
5. All right.
and 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay, so I don't have that. That's it.
I can add more.
I'm gonna finish that, and if I get pretty bored in the week, then I'll ask Mom 10 more.
Yes. So I will just text your mommy that you can also work next pages if you have time. Okay?
Okay. So you don't have to send me it. I'll just do it.
Yes, you just do it. Exactly. That's the deal. In yellow book, you just do it. Got it?
But for everything else, just only do what she said for homework.
Yeah, but yellow book, you can keep working on it. Sounds good?
Huh?
All right. Take care, Tiana. Bye.
Bye.